Good day, students. Today, we want to solve problem on integration. Integration is a very important topic in further mathematics under calculus. Please let's listen attentively. You are going to enjoy my class. Please pay attention. We're starting with the first question. Integral of 2x plus 3 raised to power 5 dx. The first thing to do is to say let u equals 2x plus 3. You represent u with what is inside the brackets. You now differentiate u with respect to x. Don't forget that when you are differentiating a constant is equals to 0. When you are differentiating million is equals to 0. Differentiating 500 is equal to 0. Differentiating any constant is equal to 0. Okay? Now, but when you are differentiating 2x, let me give you what the formula we are using. Y equals ax raised to power n. Okay, dy over dx equals a dot n x raised to power n minus 1. Now, we're going to do the same thing with this 2x. Now, du over dx, we are differentiating u with respect to x, equals 2 times, there's 1 here, the power here, 2 times 1, x raised to power 1 minus 1. Following this formula, we now have du over dx equals to 2 times 1, that is 2, x raised to power 1 minus 1 is 0, which is 2 times x raised to power 0. Anything raised to power 0 is 1. We now have 2 times 1 equals to 2. Now, du over dx equals to 2 over 1. And then we're going to represent this dx here. That's why we are going to cross multiply. Okay, and you replace your u back in the integration here. Now let's make the x the subject of the formula from here so that you can replace it here. Now you have, let's cross multiply. You're having du with dx equals dx times 2. Okay, dx times 2, that's 2 dx equals to du times 1, that's du. Divide both sides by 2. By 2 cancel 2. Now have dx equals to du over 2. Now go back to the former question, and you replace your u back in the bracket, and the same thing, you replace your dx with du over 2 so that everything will be in terms of u. Okay, you now go back and say integral of, instead of writing 2x plus 3, you replace it with u raised to power 5 dx, replace it with du over 2. Okay, so that it will be everything will be in terms of u. So we have a constant here, there's 1 over 2 here. Bring it outside the integration. Okay, the integral sign, bring it outside the integral sign. You now have half, because it's a constant, into u raised to power 5 du. Okay, when you are looking for the integral, it will be in this form. Now let's say you're having integral of u raised to power 5. It will now be u raised to power, okay, let's say u raised to power n. For example, it will now be u raised to power n plus 1 over n plus 1. I'm going to follow that method, that formula, which is equals to half u raised to power 5 plus 1 over 5 plus 1 plus c. Immediately you find the integral of the expression, you are going to put plus c there. That's constant. Now you now have to be equals to half u raised to power 6. You have u raised to power 6 over 6. Okay, plus c. Replace your u back with the expression, because we only say let u equals to this. It has to be in terms of x. Replace it back. Now it will be equals to half u. What's our u? Our u is 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3 raised to power 6 divided by 6 plus c, which is equals to 1 times x, 1 times 2x plus 3 raised to power 6. 1 times 2x plus 3 raised to power 6, you're having open bracket 2x plus 3 raised to power 6 over 2 times 6, that's 12, plus c as the answer for the first integration. Let's go to the second one. Let's go to the second one. The b part goes thus. You have b. The question is integral of 3 over 4x minus 1 raised to power 3 dx. Now, say let u equals 4x plus 1, the one inside the bracket. Now, let's differentiate as we did the first question. Du over dx equals to 4. Now, this one, there's 1 here, it comes to the front. That's 4 times 1, 4. 1 minus 1 at the power. Now, you have here 1 minus 1 will be 0. X raised by 0 is 1 times 4 is 4. Okay, we want to make the x the subject of the formula. Now 4 times dx, that's 4 dx equals du times 1 du. Divide both sides by 4. By 4, 4 cancel 4. 4 1, 4 1. Dx equals du over 4. Now replace your dx into the question. Now go back. Now 3 over, what do we say u to be? 4x plus 1 equals to u. Replace your u back. You don't forget we are still going back and replace our u in the final answer. Replace it back with the normal expression. Okay. Now I have u raised to power 3 multiplied by what's our dx? Du over 4. Now we're having 3 over 4 here. Let's bring it outside the integral sign, which is 3 over 4 integral of 1 over u raised to power 3 u raised to power 3 du. Okay. After that, what you now do is that now let's replace it back. Okay, now let's take this one, remove this reciprocal. It will now be equals to 3 over 4 integral of u raised to power minus 3. When you remove this one, the reciprocal, when you remove it, you introduce your negative 3 du. Okay, now let's follow this formula of integration. That's 3 over 4 u raised to power minus 3 plus 1 over minus 3 plus 1. Bring this minus 3 plus 1 at the power, bring it down. Is that okay? That's the way of solving it under integration. Now equals to 3 over 4 u raised to power minus 3 plus 1, that's minus 2 over minus 3 plus 1, that's minus 2. Okay, plus c, which is equals to 3 over 4. What's our 3 over 4 times minus 2? We're having, let's write it like this. 4 times minus 2, that's minus 8. That's minus 3 over 8 u raised to power minus 2 plus c equals to minus 3 over 8. U, what's our u? Go back to what you called u. U equals 4x plus 1. Open bracket 4x plus 1 raised to power minus 2 plus c. Okay, is that well understood? Now you can still bring this power down. It can be minus 3 over 8 into 1 times 1 over 4x plus 1 squared plus c, which is equal to minus 3 over 8 4x plus 1 squared plus c. Okay, when you introduce 1, the negative will disappear, but the 4x plus 1 will come down to the denominator. Let's go to the third part, the C part of it. The C part, integral of cos 7x dx. Now let's say let u equals 7x du over dx equals to 7. That's 7 over 1. Let's cross multiply. We're having 7 dx equals to du. Divide both sides by 7. 7 cancels 7. Dx equals du over 7. Now let's replace it. Integral of cos u dot du over 7. There's 1 over 7 here. Bring it outside the integral sign. 1 over 7 integral of cos u du. When you're integrating cos u, give you sine u equals to 1 over 7 sine u plus c equals 1 over 7 sine, what's our u? 7x plus c. Okay, the last one. The last one, integral of sine half x dx. Now say let u equals half x. Now du over dx equals half times 1 x raised power 1 minus 1. 1 will come to the front, and you have 1 here minus 1. You have du over dx equals 1 times 1 over 2, that's half, x raised power 0. X over 0 is 1 times half, is half. Okay, now it's half. You have du over dx equals to 1 over 2. Cross multiply to make dx the solid formula. Dx equals 2 du. Now replace it back. You have integral of equals to integral of sine half x is u. Sine u multiply dx is 2 du. Bring the constant 2 out, equals to 2 integral of sine u du equals to 2. When you integrate sine, you're having minus cos times minus cos u. What's cos u? That's half x plus c equals to minus 2 cos half x plus c. This is the end of the class. Please subscribe to my channel so that you can have access to the latest video. Have a wonderful day.